Welcome in. I'm excited to have you guys in this page. You probably just opted into a page that looks exactly like this, right? My 5 best apps for life hacking and getting straight to the money, guys. There's a big problem, almost a plague in our industry. A lot of people cannot make money online for the simple fact that they don't have anyone to show them the apps. They don't have anyone to show them the tools. The technology nowadays has advanced so much that there's an just infinite amount of information out there. So today what I wanted to do is take the time again to welcome you in to Affiliate Beast Mode, aka Ultimate Vision Experience. You're probably wondering why the two, because internet marketing and making money online is not all about making money, right? So Affiliate Beast Mode, we get you straight to the money. I'm going to share with you here in just a few minutes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you're following in the page and you're sharing this group with anybody you need to. But the second part of that is that you always have to have an ultimate vision. Why are you doing what you're doing, right? Do you want to become an internet guru? Do you want to, become a web designer or a programmer, coder? Do you want to become a consultant, a Gary Vaynerchuk, a Grant Cardone? What's my point, guys? Point is that it's not always about making money. If you don't have that long-term vision, which we like to talk about as well inside of Ultimate Vision Experience, you're missing out. All right, so let's get straight in. Again, make sure that you head over to our YouTube channel and you go ahead and you subscribe, all right, to the Traveling Beast channel. You can see right there. And the next thing I want you to understand is the apps that I'm going to reveal to you guys. I'm going to show you like step by step what they do. They only work if you use them, all right? So I'm excited to give them to you, but you need to take massive action. So you just opted in from a page like that. The video you're watching now being made is going to go right here. And you're going to land on a page. Basically, you're listening to me on this simple page right here. All right, very simple page. Reason I created this, I wanted you to have a way to join our free Facebook group. You can see people are up in here joining, commenting, listening to the audios, gaining value, and really staying engaged throughout the week. And that's what it really takes to build a foundation, right? Which I talk about inside of my first book, Foundation Offer Follow-Up. I want to take a minute to show you guys something really quickly here, because I want to catch your attention. I want you to know that this group right here, this free group that we have, the information that he was able to obtain, the same information I'm going to show you here in just a minute, has made $78 from 96 cents. Now, I want to back up a little bit and tell you that this does not always happen, okay? So it's not to say he got lucky, but it's to say that he put the right keywords in there and he took action on the training, all right? So again, if you don't take any action, nothing's going to happen. All right, so make sure you're part of the group. That's the thing you're going to want to do, is join the free Facebook group so you can, get updates and access to all these videos and things of that nature. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get the list of audios as promised. Okay, so we're going to head over to the blog where I've put them. It's under construction right now. Website looks really good. Blog's under construction. Okay, so you can check out jermainestill.com. But I'm going to link you straight to, from here over to here, so you can wind up on my website / blog. All right, and that's going to tell you welcome in. A little bit of just wordplay there. Again, I'm going to revamp this to look a little bit better, but wanted to make sure that my team and I right away got you straight to the money. So again, click here to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, let's move into a few of these apps and how you can utilize them, and I'm going to try to go through this as quickly as possible. So if I start talking fast like I do in a lot of my videos, please excuse me, simply because I want to give you this information as fast as possible. I'm heading out to Nate's event tomorrow, San Diego. So the first one is Fiverr Outsourcing, guys. When it comes to outsourcing and getting things done, you can click here, you can check it out, you can sign up, you can get banners made, logos made, you can get blogs written, you can get even essays done for you, right, if you're going to school or something. Now, the fact is, you need to understand what your goals at play are in order to utilize this. But I'm sure if you have an internet business at all and you've never heard of Fiverr, you've been sleeping under a rock, for one. Number two, it's okay. Sign up and you can utilize this to grow your business in several different ways. Your branding, they even have traffic sources there. It's an outsourcing site. So you want to make sure that you sign up, you start to understand that. All right. Now, I couldn't just go with 5 apps, so you're probably thinking, man, it looks like a lot more than 5. It's because it is, all right? And that's what I said up here in my text. I could not resist, and I had to do this video for you and show you guys these different apps. So something that I know a lot of people have been doing as of late, and maybe they're a little bit underpaid or things like that, but guys, if you have a car and you're underutilizing it, or maybe you never got gas money, or maybe you just want to make some extra cash, or maybe you're an internet marketer and you make, you know, 20, 40, 50, or even $80,000 a year, but you need something to offset some of the cost, the overhead coming into your business. I know quite a few entrepreneurs, I'll tell you, that drive Uber and Lyft, okay? So clearly I think both of those don't need any explaining. We'll move on. Turo. This is, and I'll put some of my results inside of the group here shortly when I post this video. But guys, we've been able to generate upwards of about $1,200 a month with just 2 cars. Now we're moving into our 3rd vehicle. This is an app where you can rent out your vehicles, or you can rent vehicles, okay? Very, very cheap to rent vehicles depending on what area you're in, what kind of car you want to get. Of course, that Porsche is probably not going to be cheap, but it's going to be a lot more affordable than, like, let's just say the other guys, all right? Enterprise, budget, some of those things. Now, that's from personal experience. The next thing that you're really going to want to focus on understanding about Turo is this site is growing. They just got $250 million invested from NASDAQ into Turo. So the company's growing very quickly. It's helping us. They have more tools. They're able to help you with wear and tear on your car. They put a $1 million policy on your car. The insurance covers your car in the event that anything happens. So a lot of people say, well, I don't want someone, you know, doing whatever, sleeping, driving, you know, for that matter, my car, let alone myself, right, or messing it up. So the fact is they help with wear and tear and that type of damage. Okay, so Turo is an amazing platform that we've personally utilized and are going to continue to grow a fleet of vehicles. Now, Stash is similar to Acorn, and I don't think I have Acorn on here. If you want Acorn, reach out to me. I thought I put it in here. But basically, Stash and Acorn, it's kind of like this. If you go to the store and you spend $6.25, all right, the 75 cents left over is called a roundup. Is going to round up into your bank account, all right? You're never going to miss that 75 cents. We've been able to accumulate around $3,000 in the last almost 2-3 years, going on 3 years, inside of Acorn. It's a savings app. They take the money and they invest it into stocks. And again, Stash is basically the same thing. Very similar by nature. They take it and they invest it into, you can choose your moderate, aggressive, you know, medium, aggressive, etc. And that will go and invest. All that change is like throwing it in a jar, but granted the market does good, you're gaining interest on that money that's sitting in there. All right, so that's another good one that we love. Robinhood stocks, guys. If you haven't bought stocks, I mean, I started buying stocks back in 2013 for more like 14, I'm sorry, but for anywhere from $100 to $200, and some of those stocks now, Netflix I bought in, I don't know, I think 16, and that thing is trading at about $300 and some a share, right? Roku I bought at $32. It's now trading at over $100 a share. So if you don't understand stocks, it's something you might want to kind of tiptoe into, but it doesn't hurt to sign up because you get a free stock. All these links here, guys, the beautiful part about it is that you can not only sign up for each one of these and then get, you know, free coin and free things that I'm telling you throughout the program, the video, but you can also promote these yourself. So you can promote them using Bing ads like I teach inside the group. You can promote them using video marketing. You can promote them inside your blog or Facebook group like I'm teaching inside of the group, right? So all this stuff goes hand in hand. But again, you just have to get started. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just get started. So if I were you, what I would do is just literally go through, sign up for each one of these. Do this from your phone. You can access this from your phone. And guys, just sign up, all right? Because the fact is, a lot of this stuff you may not use now, but as you make more money, or as you decide that you have time, or maybe it's not money, maybe you have enough time, enough money, but you don't have time. But as you go down the line, you'll realize that, okay, that's what that app is for. So Robinhood, free stock, you sign up, I get a free stock, you get a stock, turn around and you can share that with your friends, and the same thing happens with you. They get a free stock and you get a free stock. Next one, aspiration. Free checking account, guys. So something that I know that's really been popular within all these apps that I share is this one, and I'm going to tell you why, because a lot of people don't want to pay for a checking account. With this one, you can pay what you want. It's called aspiration, okay? And everything is legit, and actually I think I have the page pulled up here, but no worries. You get $25 cash, and you get 25 do good dollars. What does that mean? You get to basically give away to charity. They're going to give you 25 and they're going to give to charity 25 bucks. That's what I really like about this one. And then the fees, you only pay what is fair, right? So if you put 0 and you think that's fair, you put $1 and you think that's fair, that's up to you, okay? So basically these guys are operating kind of like, I guess, Wikipedia and some of the other sites out there. They're operating based on, you know, you volunteering and saying, I'm going to pay. Free checking account. You get a routing number, account number. Some people may even have credit or banking issues. I know I was on check systems back in 2008, 9 before I straightened out all my credit. And something like this would have helped me back then, right? I think they have net spend and other things. But I love this one. It's free. You can share it. You make 25 bucks and you give 25 to charity. Ebates. Guys, this is an app that you can download that will allow you to basically get cash back rewards on anything you're going to buy anyway. So every single quarter we get anywhere from $400 to $800-900 in cash back because we utilize this for our e-commerce businesses. So a lot of you guys are into Shopify, Amazon, marketing, things of that nature. So basically you can take this app, you can get cash back. All right. So really, really cool app that will give you money back on what you were already going to do, as well as give you $25. I believe they change it every once in a while. They go down and they go back up, but I believe it's 25 right now per person, okay, that signs up and activates and does some shopping. All right. Coinbase, free Bitcoin. If you haven't heard about Bitcoin by now, you've been sleeping under a rock, guys. We bought Bitcoin, started buying Bitcoin back when it was about $800-900. It's trading at $10,000 a share right now. I wish I had bought a lot more, like most people. All right, but the fact is, it's never too late. We did have Bitcoin hit as high as $20,000. It's trading at 10 now. It tanked back in 2018 early, but they said that Bitcoin is supposed to reach $500,000 by 2020. Now, that's clearly all subjective and debatable and all that stuff, but the fact is, guys, $10 for free. You just click on this link. You're going to get $10 for free just for signing up, okay? So the fact is, you can also share these links. So any of these links that I'm giving you are also referral links. I'll be working closely with people inside of, which I want to talk to you next. I'll be working closely with people inside of the Ultimate Vision Experience / Affiliate Beast Mode members area, which we started as of recent, guys. We've got people taking action already. I just did an action video up in here. Again, and we've got, you know, Schneider's results, the ClickBank. So basically, any of these things that you take action on, I'm going to be working with you guys specifically one-to-one when you schedule your strategy session, inside of the group in order to further you along, in order to just basically get some of the similar results that we're getting. Cash App, send and receive payments, make $5 for everybody you sign up. You can also buy Bitcoin inside of there. That one's simple. It's a payment system. Venmo as well is another one. Now, the last one before we get into the audios as promised are all down here. This specific app, you can become a shopper. It's called Insta Shopper, and you can actually shop for other people, and you can get paid to do so, right? So the fact is, they'll pay you just like Uber and Lyft a significant amount of money if you have other people signing up. So what we've done a lot of is marketed these things over the course of the years, and it creates passive income, right? So you may think, okay, I make a YouTube video now, but over the course of time, just like with this page that you're on now, people are going to click through these links, right, inside of my new blog here, all right? And they're going to sign up, and we're going to get a commission, and then they're going to go out and share that, and they're going to get a commission as well. All right, so the main thing that I wanted you guys to get here today clearly was the value. Secondly, the audios, all right, because the value is what gets you to stick around. The third thing I want you to do is sign up for the monthly membership. It's discounted 80% right now, guys, until 9/30, September 30th. I'm going to build this group as aggressively as possible, and then what's going to end up happening is it's going to go up to $99 a month, okay? Because the amount of value that's going to be in there by September 30th, even already now, is hand over foot worth easily $99 a month, okay? So you're going to click on that page. It's going to take you here, and then you can watch the offer up video, free training. There's an old saying, guys, if people can make money just like Schneider did with my free training or your free training, if you're doing marketing already, the fact is that they're gonna make a lot more money, or they're gonna feel like they can make a lot more money with your further training, right? So it's definitely a good lead-in to have free training. So that's what I've got for you here today. The Bing You can utilize that for ClickBank, and you can utilize that for any of these other offers that I've shared with you guys here today. So sign up, guys. Once you get signed up, it's going to take you to my Facebook, and make sure you inbox me. Let me know you signed up. You can see one of our prior events here, Traveling Beast Mastermind. That was back in 2014. And then you've also got some audios here, podcasts, and some testimonials. Check all that out, guys. I don't do convincing. I share value. And I want to tell you that something like this, especially if you're just getting started, can absolutely rip it up. Now, if you're advanced, you're intermediate, or whatever, guys, on our specific strategy sessions, I guarantee there's things I'm going to be able to show you that's going to blow your mind anyhow. All right, so get signed up, guys. I'm going to tell you right now, the people that are joining before August 30th, all right? Let's see, September has, I don't know how many days they've got. But anyway, I believe August, yes, has 30 days. So anybody signing up before August 30th for this group, all right, is going to be grandfathered in to be receiving gifts every single month. So we're also going to be doing gifts for you guys every single month, right? Sending out different things like battery chargers, t-shirts. My son has his vinyl cutter, which I'll share a video about that with you later. But we'll be sending out a lot of different gifts for you guys for the ones that lock in before August 30th. All right, so lock in. Make sure you guys share the video. You share the blog post if you got value. Add anybody into the group that you think may need this stuff, guys, because I've got people in town, friends, family, and I'm like, you know what? Something like this is something they can understand. All right, a lot of the things we do, like Amazon automation and eBay and ClickBank at a higher level, just really takes a lot of capital. So I wanted a funnel where people can come in, they can get to know me first. If you're already making money and you want to scale up, and guys, we've had, you know, $10 days, we've had $1,000, $100 days, we've had $5,000 days, we've had $30,000 days, and we've closed upwards of $60,000 deals in one single transaction. So again, point being, not to brag or boast, but to tell you that you need to have some kind of process or funnel, which I share with you guys inside of Affiliate Beast Mode. All right, I just did a video last week about mega trends. There's a mega trend right now, something that's trending. You probably already know what it is, and I'll release this pretty soon. But taking that, creating fan pages, and selling t-shirts. So whatever it is that you want to do, make sure you, when you come into the group, you let me know who you are, where you're from, and what your goal is in the group. Because the fact is, if you don't have a goal in our group, you're just in some group looking around, lurking, and probably not taking any action. And I know that's not you, right? So click that button below, or those buttons below, the three. Join the Facebook group. Get the list of audios and apps where I showed you those are at. Click there. Sign up for the monthly membership, guys. And send me an inbox on Facebook when you're done, all right? That's it. Peace. Very simple.